If you clicked on this video, you're probably not an SEO expert. And quick disclaimer, I'm not either. But don't click away, because we're not going to let our lack of SEO expertise get in the way of our store's SEO, right? So here's what we're going to do. OpenAI released their Vision API a couple weeks ago, which means that their AI now has eyes. With the AI being able to see and understand images, a whole new world just opened up, including helping with our store's SEO. So if you don't know how to write your product's meta titles and descriptions and haven't even started using any keywords, then we can use AI to write that for you. Let's take a look. So this is the new vision model that OpenAI released recently. So it's the GPT-4 Vision Preview. So it is a preview. There are some limitations like rate limits, but on this page here, you actually have this little snippet which shows you how to use it. And so if we jump into our code, then we can actually modify that little snippet to make it work for us. Now, this is written in Python, and you do need a Python environment set up. We're not going to get into that in this video, but if you need help with that, you can either find some help on Google, or if enough of you really want that, I can perhaps put a video together on how to get that set up. Now, here is the meat of the code right here. This is where we put our prompt in and our input. So basically, we're saying in this prompt that the AI is an SEO expert, and they're going to be writing SEO for a Shopify store, and we're going to ask it to create some SEO uh, meta description. Oops. An SEO title, product description, and the alt text for an image. And that image that we're going to feed it is going to come from our store. So if we hop into our demo store, we can come here. We have this t-shirt that we want to write some SEO for. So we can just copy the image address and then go back to our code and just paste that right in there. Right. And so that's basically it. We can save that and we'll just run this code. So I'm just going to get this code going. And when it's done running, we'll see an output here, a CSV file right there. So let's just open that file up. Okay, so we've opened up our file, and you can see here that we've got our SEO page title, meta description, product description, and alt text. And this is essentially what we've got. So we've got the title, original graphic t-shirt, trendy casual wear for every style. And then here's your meta description, right? So we can read that. Your product description, which is a little bit longer, and the alt text. And so now we can actually go back to our store and update this our product listing with this information. So we can come to our Shopify admin and just hop into our product. And now we can update our description right here with the new AI generated description. We can update our search engine listing information here, right? So we can actually change our title to be the new title. So we can just do that right now. So we can just put this off to the side here. And I can take this and update our listing title there. We can take our meta description and update that with this information here. And we can take our description and update that as well. And we've got alt text that we can also update, right? So we can actually change the alt text here. And so that just gives our store a little bit more SEO friendly text keywords that we otherwise wouldn't have had if we haven't actually spent the time to do any SEO for our store. So what I've actually done is we've taken the code that I've just shown you, and we've actually looped through all the products in our store, generate SEO titles, descriptions, and alt text for all the different products and images for our stores, and just mass update them all at once. And we found this really useful because for some of our stores, we just haven't put that much attention into SEO. And this gets us maybe 70% of the way there at a fraction of the price and time investment. So this is just a first pass, and you may want to adjust the prompt. You may want to spend more time trying to figure out how which keywords are probably important for your products and your store. Because right now we're relying entirely on the suggestion of GPT. We haven't checked for basic best practices, whether the keywords that it's using will even be easy to rank for your products. But if you're starting from zero, then this gives you a running head start. And you can save hours of time and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars to get someone else to do this for you. So I thought this was a really cool use case. And AI is moving so fast. There's so many cool ways to use it to improve your Shopify store, and we're just touching the surface here. So let me know in the comments below if you like this kind of video. Today we talked more about building some external tool that can help improve your store. Do you want to see more of this, or what else would you like to see? Anyway, thanks for your support, and see you in the next one.